What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar. Don't forget to check out the ukulele version that I have up here. But let's get started with the chords and the strum pattern. Alright, so the chords I'm going to be using here is D minor to G, D, and then A. Okay, so D minor, G, D, A. Alright, so I'm going to teach you the easy strum pattern and then the strum pattern that I use. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the easy one, just down strums. You can also add in the up strum to that too. So so either just down strums, or you can go down, 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 down. And the strum pattern that I use, it'll go down, up, and up, down, up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That right there is down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So. And that's how I played the new song. Don't forget to leave a comment on what else songs you guys want to check out. Check out the ukulele version. But thanks again for watching, and subscribe, comment, like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.